Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to reset your trial version of PHP Tools for Visual Studios. I'm currently using Visual Studios 2017. I think my trial has expired already, so let's take a look. I'm using Windows 2010 for this. So I'll go to PHP Tools for Visual Studios. You can see it. I start my trial on October the 21st, 2018, but it's expired. You can see under here, turn on activation is expired. So we need to go to the registry to reset this. So I'm going to go to Reg Edit for the registry. I'm going to take you back to the very basics. So you want to go under your current user. So this is how it's going to look when you open up the registry if you've never been in it before. So go under current user. Then you'll go under software. Then you go under devsense because it's PHP tools are made by devsense. Open this up a little bit more. Then under PHP tools for Visual Studio, in whatever version that you have installed, you want to delete the trial signature and the trial start keys. So you can just right click and choose delete. Then you want to go ahead and close out the registry. I'm going to go ahead and close out Visual Studios. I'm going to reopen it. And then I have the option to begin the trial again. It's activated and it's going to expire in 30 days. And that's how you do it. If you go back to the registry, you can see we got a new trial signature and a new trial start date. If you like this tutorial, be sure to follow and subscribe. Until next time.